set up to do an underarm wax and brow wax on my little sister today. Should I do it this way or should I do the bed that way? Then I just went and got everything together, got my wax pots and everything, got my wax cover for my table, got my little caddy with my pre and post care, all of my wax sticks, everything like that, my tweezers, everything, just putting it in order. I'm using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth today. And then of course I had to disinfect and everything like that before I get started and get my trash can. Today her armpits are not that hairy. If you seen the original video, baby, you already know them shits be hairy. But she was like, I didn't wait that long this time. Okay, and I was kind of in a rush, so a lot of these wax strips is terrible, but they still got all the hair up. Boo, don't play with Sexy Smooth. Please don't play with them. She is pregnant. I forgot how many months she is, but my little sister is pregnant. So yeah, look at that. They pulled every little hair from right there, baby. Yes, look at that. Making sure you use your pre and post care. Okay, then we just went to the other armpit. And you can see her hair is not that long this time. She said it didn't hurt that bad this time as it did the first time when we yanked like 5 inches of hair. No, I'm just playing. Not 5 inches, but the hair was like about 2 inches, Bookie. And then these strips, I was in a hurry. I should have used the other wax that dries a little bit faster. I love using Sexy Smooth wax. It give me time to lay more than one strip usually. But I was in a hurry on her armpit, so I wasn't really being patient like I should have been. But yeah, still yanked everything up. I love me some Sexy Smooth wax. Oh, okay, sponsor me. Yes, this is really my go-to wax, especially for Brazilians and stuff. It pulls every hair up like it's chef's kiss, spooky. But yeah, just enjoy the rest of this video. I also did her eyebrows at the end. I didn't do a whole video of that though. Instead, I just did the before and after pictures because my phone kept falling on the tripod. And baby, I was already having a rough day. Like, I could not get myself together. But yeah, anytime you feel like your wax strip is too thin, just go over it with some more wax. It's not that hard. Like, yeah. And I did the same thing with this one. It was still warm. I should have waited. Like, but still got it up. Currently, Sexy Smooth wax is my go-to wax right now, and I will probably use Starple as my backup wax right now. I am gonna try Waxness, Bush Balm. I feel like those are two that I really want to try. I have tried Nova Wax, Mermaid Wax, Wax Supply. I tried a couple different waxes already, but one that I really want to try is Bush Balm. Like, yeah, everybody's making it seem like it's so tea and it's amazing for sensitive skin and everything like that. Yes, your girl need that. But yeah, this was the end result. She does have hyperpigmentation, but as far as hairs and stuff like that, it was smooth as a baby's bottom, Bookie. Then I just went in with my post-waxing oil, and that was the end results of the wax. She said this one was better. Never judge your wax off your first wax ever, because that's your initial, reaction. So of course it's gonna be painful because you're snatching hairs out, but you will get used to it. Don't judge your wax until you get it the third time. If it's still just unbelievable painful the third time, then okay. These were her brows before, and we really didn't do a whole lot of shaping to them. We just kept it the shape they was and cleaned them up real good.